Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix For You page TikTok. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside settings, go to general, and then once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside iPhone storage, scroll down and then tap on TikTok, and once you're inside here, tap on offload app. And what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which might be causing the issue. And once that's done, tap on delete app, and once that process is done, try again. And if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your app store, and then on the search bar simply type in TikTok and then hit on search. And once it loads, tap on the app and check to see the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will probably fix the issue. And that's basically how to fix For You page TikTok. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.